y'all? Welcome back to another video. I'm Telly.
Your boy Copri here.
Make sure y'all subscribe to us. So today we just taking y'all with us. We're going to another car meet.
Yeah, out here in I think it's Belmont, California. It's an all females car. I guess a female put this together. So Ghetto Customs, which is my car crew, we're going to pull up and support. So y'all come along with us.
Look, y'all. Look at the weather. Baby got us out here. And
yeah, it looked like it's about to snow on this one.
Look like we in California.
Listen. We out here in Beaumont, man. Car crew right here, you know. Shit. Check everybody out. Yeah, everybody trying to still get right. Park up in here. You know, everybody. You know. Yeah. Ain't that right, baby? It's cold.
Yeah.
Damn right, it's cold.
You see us lined up. Well, you know, shit, waterproof. We out here lined up. You know, they got the trucks out here. Yeah, it's out here raining. It was wet. It was wet, so you know, baby need to get a move on it. Yeah, we out here. We was bumping from outside. Ooh, man, I mean, you want to take baths, huh? She's scared. She's scared of a little bit of water, y'all. Oh, look at this truck. I like that. She's scared of a little bit of water. I think they hit the car. Oh, look at this. All right, so look, she running off. So yeah. So look, y'all, check it out. Follow us, chill with us, man. We hanging out. We're hanging out. Alright.
Alright, y'all. We hopping up out of here. It's raining too hard. Y'all see, it's snowing actually. Should've been giving out my cards on the way out. You gave it to her already? Hey, you wear I like your makeup. You wear lashes like the strips? Huh? You wear lashes like the strips?
Yes,
I sell them. Just follow my Instagram and I'll get you some.
I will.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, hers too. Follow my Instagram. I like your lashes. Here, y'all too. Thank you, support. Thank y'all. Here y'all go. Thank you. Thank you. Oh shoot. They don't got on lashes. Thank you. Wow. They got the tacos.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's part of us. That's part of what we do. We hustle everywhere. What's your hashtag, baby?
Hustling ass couple.
Right. So a few more followers, a few more sales. Right, babe? Y'all, he done had me eat some tacos and now my stomach hurt. I don't know what's wrong with that taco.
No. We're still out here in Beaumont, man. It got kind of like too chilly, but on the way up, too wet, cold, freezing. But we basically on the way up here, we seen some snow, so we're gonna stop right there and see if we can take some bomb ass pics in that beautiful snow. Yeah, we stopped to grab something to eat. Quick pizza, real quick. You know, another car member wanted to grab some quick.
Greedy.
Yeah, I'm greedy, so you know.
There you go.
You know, I be hungry all the time and shit like that.
All the
you know what I'm
time.
saying? You know, make sure y'all comment too, man. Who else be, you know what I'm saying, like to get their grub on and all that. You know, I want to know. And yeah, we do reply. You know what I'm saying? So don't get shy. Don't get shy. You feel me? Oh snap! Oh, and then we got the napkins. Oh yes. And here we go. See? Boom. That Kool-Aid. Oh yeah.
Supposed to be a specialty pizza.
Oh yeah.
You want a piece?
No, I'm okay. Thank you.
Alright.
Alright. See, yeah, like I said, that's that curbside.
He ain't supposed to be eating that shit.
What is it though? Look like onion. Oh damn. Yeah, I'm glad I did get a little piece because I don't like onions, that meat. I'm gonna get all this stuff off of here. Check us out. Ride with us.
Let me have your crust up.
Hold it. Alright, be right back, y'all. Let me drive.
His tire always goes.
So this is what happens.
Yeah, see that? The president, he prepared. He stay prepared. Oh, look at these.
You see why I didn't want to get out?
It ain't running that bad.
It's about where we was at.
Yeah, it was.
But you know what it did is, you know how they pop on? When you hit a hard dip, it pops the air right out.
Guarantee you, I feel that motherfucker.
See, that's a brand new
You see that motherfucker glowing?
I got no sense. Ready to get it started. I got no sense.
Nah, I can't do that.
We out there hanging. Oh yeah, we out here. What you think?
I think it's too cold.
Alright, so y'all, we should be coming up to the snow now. We should be coming to the snow because this is where out here, man. Yeah. See Kool-Aid hanging about her shit. Everybody made it back safely, man. You know, had that little bump on the road.
I understand. I'm obsessed